Request ka ba dito, Juby?
Oo.
This is Apollo. Gate still standing, Raider?
So, stabilize the observation deck near the ridge
Look
line.
for construction signs and codes.
Okay.
Saan yung ridge line?
Came under heavy fire before they could finish up.
Ayun. Observation deck.
Ito mo na?
Dito yung ridge line, kuya.
Go to that location.
Okay.
The Pilgrim's Peak.
Kailangan mo pa ng stage?
Hindi. Pero, papunta yung snitch, oh. Oh!
Dahil low lang tayo, kuya.
Yeah.
Whoa! Ang haba ng slide mo. May namatay na raider dun, oh. Kitang-kita yung flare, oh. Loot tayo dito, kuya.
Yeah.
Walang kwenta. Alam mo, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin nakikita yung lemon.
Actually, yun din sa akin, eh. Wala pa ako nakikita yung lemon. Grabe yung no? Visuals.
Dito ba yun?
Ang dami pala dito. Ang daming bot. Ang daming robot. Ang daming arc.
Kaya nga, stabilize the observation deck
Maganda.
near the ridge line.
Ah?
Observation deck. Ano bang itsura ng observation deck?
Ano question?
Wala, ano to eh.
Some things to do.
Wala pa ako. I'll just do
Oh, loot ka lang kuya. Hindi kaya yun?
Up there.
Silver stick yun.
Uh,
Ayun. Ay!
Ay, tama na. Ayun. Ba't may checkmark sa akin?
Walang check
Ah, meron pala
sa'yo?
first foothold? First foothold
Oo,
ba yun?
oo.
Okay. Yeah.
Sunod
Build
is
the roof
enable
plates,
comms terminal near the olive grove. Where's the olive grove?
Let's move to that location.
Ayun, dito.
Let's go to the olive grove.
Okay. Copy.
Wait lang kuya. Okay. Gets. Let's go. Kuya, wala kang armor. Naka-ano ka? Free
Saka
loadout ka?
rat mode. Rat mode.
Don't shoot!
Yun.
May mga tao.
Don't shoot!
Maglalaban sila doon. Dulo. Tama. Yung ano. Traces ng bullet traces doon.
Hey, don't shoot!
Tulungan ba natin sila?
Don't shoot!
Oh,
Hey, don't shoot!
Sige, tulungan natin sila.
Okay.
Don't shoot!
Yan na ba? Oh, nice.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Friendly!
Hey, don't shoot!
Friendly!
My friend.
Don't shoot!
Orbiter is en route. The safe window is closing. You have 10 minutes to return to Speranza. I repeat, 10 minutes.
Are we gonna be forever here? Ano ba natin? Hindi ba natin ito?
Down there.
Pwede.
There.
Oh God.
Okay. Burning. Alright. Isa pa. Sa taas.
Ano yan? Dami kuya! Tatlo! Chill muna. Chill. Di natin kaya yan.
Nobody's here?
Hey, don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Yes.
Ba tayo?
Let's go. Yeah.
May supply depot na bumaba oh. Ay hindi yata supply depot yun.
Hey, don't shoot! Hey, don't shoot!
Pa.
Wow! Slide roll!
Slide rule. Ubus ang stamina.
Slide roll downhill. Lulu.
Uy! Kuya!
Ano yun?
There.
Leaper!
Whoa! Ooh, easy.
Easy bro. Huwag tayo dyan dumaan kuya. Dito tayo sa baba.
Isa ka? Yun yung humabol kay ano eh. Yun yung humabol kay ano,
Dr. Disrespect.
Alright.
Nandito na tayo
I've seen you in action.
Enable comms terminal near the Olive Grove. Where's the comms terminal?
Terminal.
Wait lang may check lang ako. Baka ito. Pang inapuno na agad yung items. Kaya ito ba yung ano?
Ha? Enable comms terminal. Ano ba?
Saan ba yung comms terminal? Pangina niyayanig na sila dun.
Oh shit.
Grabe.
Okay, alright. Okay, I can see. Okay.
All raiders, we have Ark on screen. 5 minutes left. Go find a way home. I repeat, 5 minutes.
Ay kuya, mamamatay tayo.
Head home at the Overlook air shaft.
Pag nagsara yan. Tara na.
Saan tayo?
Kailangan natin umuwi. Mamamatay tayo. Pag nagsara pala lahat
Where
yan
to?
kuya, naranasan ko kanina. Pag nagsara lahat yan, patay tayo.
Nice.
Dami.
Oh my.
Oh my God. Wait lang. Recharging. Shit, kuya, dito sa baba. Wait lang. Kuya!
Relax. Exhale.
Kuya, mamamatay tayo. Baka hindi tayo umabot. 2 minutes.
Saan yung ano? Instruction.
Doon sa pink ko.
20 meters! Dami na lang yan!
Last warning. 2 minutes left. Head back immediately. The window is closing.
Ow! I can't use the zip line, bakit? Ow! Wala, punta ako dyan, kuya. Hi! Wala, hindi tayo nabutan, may tama na. Andiyan ka sa taas?
It's the end of the road for us, my man.
Wala na, patay tayo.